Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Fitbit Versa 4 and you need to do a hard reset on it and restore the default settings. If you're having connectivity issues or it's bugging, or if you're just giving the phone to someone else and you want to clear everything out, or if you've just gotten it, this will take care of everything. All we need to do is with the phone on, we're going to push the side button, and then that's going to open up the menu, and we're going to select the settings menu. And from the settings menu, we're going to scroll down and we're going to find the About Versa 4 option. We'll click on the About Versa 4 option, and from there we'll scroll down, and then you will see there is a factory reset option. We will click on that, and it'll ask you to confirm, and you will confirm that you want to do the reset. And then once you hit that, it will clear all the settings and everything out, disconnect the watch from everything that it was connected to, and then restart the watch in as it was when it came out of the box.